Hi, today I'm going to show you how to block websites on Chrome permanently. So to achieve this, you need two codes which you will need to block and unblock the website. So here is the code. Um, so this is the code which we are going to use to block the websites. So for example, I have added Facebook and YouTube. So now the websites are opening, as you can see, they are opening. Facebook is also opening. So what we need to do, we need to copy this code and go to Notepad. Save this code. Notepad. And save this. And now you need to run this script in it. So now, okay, you need to run it as an administrator. Now the websites have been blocked. We need to just restart the Chrome. So now you see the YouTube is not opening, the Facebook is also not opening. Both of these websites are now blocked. These are no longer accessible. Now if you need to unblock them, you need to go to second line of code. Copy this and then save it as a pad. Save and unlock. So that, okay, and then you need to run it as an administrator. Okay, so it has been updated. Now if we now go and check, now it is opening. It is opening. Both of these websites are now unblocked on your system. So if you don't want this method, there is another method. You can go to, so you can use any extension and block any website. So for example, I am using this extension. Okay, now I go to CNN. If I want to block CNN, so it is now currently opening. If I want to block it, I need to accept it and then block this website. Now it is blocked. If I refresh it, the website is now blocked. But the thing is, it is not very. You can only block two websites with this extension. So if you want to block more websites, you need to use the script instead of this extension. So if you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.